Hey friends, this is Professor Vishwajit once again welcomes you. In this special and quick session, we are discussing about two different positions you can opt in for. So first position is the product development manager is quite challenging profile in all senses because here what we are doing is like we do have a raw product with us. There are few basic concepts which are there with us, and we need to give more emphasis on making this product a successful entity. So we have lots of profiles under product development manager as well. So being a marketing manager, you need to be very super specialized, and in that case we are offering you process flow manager. Process flow manager means obviously the product comes into the picture or service comes into the picture. Service process flow or service flow, you can imagine that how the customer is entering into the process or buying a product, and how he is getting served along the time till the final delivery of the product is what we have committed. So take an example that if you are buying a TV, when you buy the television in the mall or in any showroom, they get the payment from you. First step is that. Then they deliver the TV to your house. Then the third one is like the guy comes into the picture who calls you and asks you permission for installation, and then the final installation takes place. So these are the four steps which are there in any service payment or product development or delivery flow. So the product flow manager will take care of all these steps. So now we have a product with us, that is resume plus LinkedIn workshop, and then interview preparation workshop. So these three flows will be managed with this product flow manager. So this will be a first profile in product development manager post. Okay, I will write this in the write up, but as a concept you must know this thing. The second one is the communication from the product itself. As you know that I am giving the example of TV, so you will get a bill, an invoice. With that you will get a warranty card. In that warranty card you will be getting a specific thing. Add on to that, you will get an mail as well, an SMS. So this is so thank you for purchasing, and your warranty starts from today only. Please register on our website, and your product code is this and that and that. So that is nothing but the proper communication. So communication manager will enhance the product's reliability, product's content, we can say products overall feel. So if someone is buying our product, that is freshers plan, need to receive one mail from our mail ID, official mail ID, and then he will get the clear data, clear details at how my service is going to start, what inputs they will need from me, and how and at what time the product is finally delivered to me. So these kind of after product service flow manager giving the all the data, the communicator comes into the picture. And after these two, the third major post is like analytics. So you need to analyze the products all over the market, and then you need to decide whether there are good things or bad things in our product design and how to develop them. So these are the three posts in the product developer area. Now let's jump into the brand promotion. So brand promotion is the first and most demanded arena in marketing agencies. So brand promotion is quite promising in all senses. The first comes is the digital marketing. Why digital marketing is a promising thing? Because as you can clearly see, there are lots of social medias and they are doing best in their work, and now make revenues like hiking up like never before. So the digital marketing manager creates JPG, GIF, then normal animation MP4 movies or something like that, which are short in duration but gives the appealing to the customer that they are looking forward for any specific brand and they definitely need to trust us. So brand promotion is nothing but the brand is obviously the vishwajit.org, and now we need to promote it. So digital marketing manager will do all these things. The second one is the SEO manager, search engine optimization. So this second post in the brand promotion is very crucial because SEO manager not only looks after the keywords or the how the website looks, but he also looks with the help of the search engines available over the net. So there are different tools and softwares you need to dig in and to check whether vishwajit.org is up to the mark or not, whether Google key sites or something, Sidekit or something like that can help them better to read the analytics carefully and which posts are working well, are we are doing with that, and then they communicate with the digital marketing manager to create the content which is more relevant and more suitable for that analytics. And the third and most important brand promotion manager is like website developer. So here we need a somewhat technical knowledge and more the analytical knowledge. So you need to analyze competitors websites carefully and then design your product. Okay, so in that sense, if you need tables, you need good graphics, if you need any other videos which are more informative and giving the clear idea about our product, then that comes into the picture. So there are 6 different posts, and I think I have briefed it well. In case you have any doubts, please let me know. Till you are seeing this video, there could be some replies from most of our interns. So please rush up. In any case you have any exams or something, please don't worry about that. But first and foremost, you need to get into the picture first. At least finalize your super specialization, so that will be better for me to give you a good and suitable task. And that's it for today. Myself, Professor Vishwajit, signing off. Thank you.